These walls, I don't know what the material is, but it's not much different than cardboard. This is the back side of my office. It's just so thin. If I knock on this, somebody may knock back if there's somebody in the office. What we would like to do here is mostly bring some safety in, confidentiality, and give our school employees a better environment to work in. This is where all our buses get serviced. There's trip hazards in there, there's big pieces of steel in there. They walk under a bus, God forbid, when it's on the lift, they could hit their head. These are the temporary lifts that we're using until our in-ground post lift can be repaired or replaced. This bay here, it's kind of a dead bay because you couldn't put a full bus in here, because storage-wise, we keep our oils and mechanics tools here. This here is our wash bay. It definitely makes the buses last longer by washing them off and getting that salt off of them. But again, it needs to be updated. We have another lift in the last bay, which is a 2-post lift that's gotta be over 20 years old. That one requires a lot of yearly maintenance and service. We're hoping with a newer lift that yearly maintenance will come down on that. If you were a bus driver and you needed to use the facilities or the driver's room, you have to walk through this area and navigate your way. This is the driver's room in here. When they have layovers or extra time, this is where they're stationed. To have 35 drivers in here is next to impossible. This is my office. My assistant dispatcher, John, sits here. When we have our conversations, confidentiality is really difficult. And as you can see, there's maybe 4 feet of space in between the desks. It's really tight. The new footprint is going to go that way and that way, like an L. The bays are going to be straight through, so rather than having to back out, the buses will come straight in. They'll have a door in and then a door out, and there'll be a wash bay. There'll be a bay with a new 2-post lift in it, another bay for the vans to work on. We'll have our office space, a training room for the drivers, a nice break room, and we would have our own office space as well. It would just be so much safer, and I wouldn't have to worry about the drivers tripping over something. With this building, we're going to replace the doors on it because they're all banged up and rusted and rotted from the salt. The outside of the building is going to be resurfaced to make it look like the newer building. You could see from the size of the bus inside, you can't get behind the bus. You have to open up that specific door to get in. The walls are going to be extended out, so when you close the door, there's room to walk behind the buses. They're going to remove all this dirt, and the buses will be able to park on a cement pad. Plus, there's a trip hazard walking into the garage where they're going to put a cement pad outside the doors as well. Any electrical upgrades here will be for future use. We're going to put in conduit and piping. We don't know what that future use is yet, but we're going to try to put as much in place as we can.